You're on camera now. Hi, sweetie pie. See, look at your friend, Dr. Chubbles. See, you're trying to suck your thumb? For baby and me.
This little puppy went to market. This little puppy stayed. Got my toes. That tickles.
It's fun to hear you laugh and sing, learning as you play. When I see your smiling face, this is what I say.
Try to reach out for it.
I think I just thought you were just moving your hand a little. Hi, sweetie pie. See? You're sucking your thumb, aren't you? Well, actually, now you got both your fingers in your mouth.
Peekaboo, I see you.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Hi. Little puppy went to market.
How are you?
This little puppy stayed home.
Sweetie, you're doing such a good job holding your head up.
This little puppy had a bone. And this little puppy sang up, all the way home.
Come on, sweetie pie. See, she's sucking your thumb now. Yeah, sweetie, at night, just suck on your thumb, sweetie, if you feel any discomfort.
Bye.
Where's Arrow? Is he outside?